Hi, I'm Kristi Simpson here in the Leisure Arts Makerspace. What's it called?
Makerspace.
Makerspace. Makerspace, okay. Hi, I'm Kristi Simpson here in Leisure Arts Makerspace, and I would like to talk to you a little bit about my book, Lacy Wraps. I have a couple here with me. This one here is the Fiesta, and it is really cool because see how colorful it is? And that came in one skein of yarn. It's the Shawl in a Ball by Lion Brand. And then this one is called the Granny Connection. And the reason it's called that is because in the back you're going to start with a granny square, and then we add a lacy detail on the side. And all of the wraps in this book have very unique features. They have lace, they have chains, they have solid work mixed with other stuff, and most of them are made with lace weight. The Pearls wrap is made with a delicate open texture and with a self-striping yarn that just does all of the work for you. The Grace wrap is a mixture of open stitches and solid stitches, bringing together the best of both worlds for a beautiful wrap. The Chain Links wrap is made of just that, chain links. It is joined by single crochets and then more chain links. It makes it for a very lacy wrap. The Filigree is done in a beautiful fern color, and it has a mixture of double crochet and chains to create the openness of the lacy stitch. I hope that you will check out all of these designs and my book, Lacy Wraps. Join me next time here in the Makerspace.